No, I gotta say, she deserves an Oscar. She deserves an Oscar, bro. So, first thing first, let's give God thanks for life. Yes, let's be grateful. And happy Good Friday to y'all. Whenever time you guys are watching, if it's either in Easter holidays or after the Easter holidays, happy Easter. And if it's after the happy Easter holidays, yeah, may God bless you and keep you throughout this year. So guys, this was recently suggested that I should check out Golan, Rise Up, right? I didn't know that she has done a song like this, to be honest. I have no idea that she have done a song like this. In fact, I'm quite shocked to know that Miss Elon have done a song like this. And I'm like, what? Yo, people, what's up? It's a Jamaican friend here again with another Elon Golan reaction. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this one. I mean, like, it's a very good day. It's a very good day. Damn. Okay. I think you guys should have watched the Bob Marley movie already. I guarantee so. And if not, please, you should check it out. It's a really nice movie. It's enjoying, right? It's a story about Bob Marley's life, from where he's coming from, of how he was a person who always victimized by the police, the citizens of Jamaica. Well, it's a very well written story. I gotta say, I enjoyed it. As a person who have never known Bob Marley before or seen him before, that movie literally gives me the impression of how Bob Marley was back then, right? So guys, Elon Golan, please, if you guys are new, do the right thing, okay? And thank you all so much for the support. Oh my god, you guys are showing so much support on my page, and I mean, like, it's shocking to see you all here. Well, okay. I'm excited for this one, okay? So please, thank you so much. If you guys do have any more suggestions, don't forget to drop your suggestion down in the comments. I'll be happy to give you a reaction on your song that you really like so much that you want me to check out. Okay, so guys, let's dive in. Peace.
You're broken down and tired.
Welcome.
Of living life on a merry-go-round, and you can find the fighter.
Oh, hey, okay. Whoa, her voice is magnificent. Hey, I did know that her voice is magnificent, but when she sings in English so perfectly, it's quenchable, bro. I mean, like, damn.
But I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out and move mountains.
Whoa, okay. This is freaking incredible. Right? It's amazing, right? She is singing here. Hey. Hey, sometimes, guys, I wish I could just go and witness these people singing. I mean, like, I'm feeling it, bro. I'm feeling her performance here, bro. I mean, like, damn, this is beautiful. Hey, book.
We gon' walk it out and move mountains.
Bro, those vocals are freaking amazing. Hey, yo, damn, bro. No, damn. How comes I didn't find this one earlier? She's freaking amazing, bro.
And I rise like the day, I
Alright, so. Alright, so good day. Alright. Bro. Bro. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Yo. She's amazing, bro. She's outstandingly good, bro. Woo, 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 woo. Bomba, bro. Wow. 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 Right now I'm speechless, bro.
And I'll do it 1,000 times again. And I'll rise up, I like the waves, I'll rise up.
Oh, just freaking amazing, bro. Her voice is just so amazing. Boo, 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 boo. Hey. Yo, 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 yo. Oh my god, guys. I mean, like, oh.
In spite of the ache, I rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. For you.
Yo, yo, that's a refreshing rate, bro. That's a refreshing rate. I mean, like, if you guys should know about phone refreshing rate, this is how her voice is really is right now. It's refreshing, bro. It's just so freely moving, bro. Yo, this is magnificent. I gotta say, bro. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Miss Elon, you are amazingly good. You are an amazing singer. You are a superstar. Oh, you come.
For you. For you. For you. All we need is hope.
Yo, guys. Hey. Oh my god, guys. Okay, okay. The way she just hold her breath there and just tagging it along, bro. That's freaking awesome.
What are we have each other? And what are we have each other? Yeah. We will rise, and we'll rise. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
No, I gotta say, she deserves an Oscar. She deserves an Oscar, bro. Because this voice is as if it's an angelic light, bro. It's freaking beautiful, bro. Boo, 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 boo. Hey, hey, Miss Golan, if you're watching this video, you are an amazing singer. You are freaking amazing. You just, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, bro, oh my god. Oh my, she's just like, damn. She's taking my breath away, bro. Like in just one word, bro. Like my entire body is numb. It's numb because she took my breath away, bro. With this astoundingly beautiful, such cute, such amazing, beautiful voice. Astonishing. Astonishing! Ah! Hey! Damn, she's good.
Rise like the day. I'll rise up in spite of the ache.
Bro. She's amazing! Boo! 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 Ah! Yo! We have to give it up for her, bro. We have to show some love, bro. Bro, please, guys, please, just appreciate her, please, because she's an exception of an appreciation that she should be appreciated. Yes, she's a beautiful singer. Her voice is just so astonishingly beautiful, bro. An amazing specimen, bro.
I will rise 1,000 times again, and we'll rise up.
Alright, 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 alright. Damn. She's awesome, bro. She's awesome, she's awesome, she's awesome, bro. Damn, she's good.
אוי, תודה אלוהים.
חברים, התחילה העונה.
וואו, וואו.
Yo, okay, guys, okay. I'm sorry, but this is how the way I should go. This is just me personally, right? When I heard people like this singing, it always gives me that beautiful impression that music is really deep when you listen to the words carefully and you just meditate upon what they are saying. It's just deep. That is the reason why I always give my overreaction like this. But I'm really sorry for my overreaction, but this is just me in particular. Guys, I want to say happy holidays when it comes. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are watching this video after the holidays, richest blessing unto you all. May God keep you and bless you throughout this entire year. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And my friend, thank you so much for this suggestion. It was a wonderful suggestion. I did enjoy this reaction by Miss Golan here. She's amazing. So subscribe for more reactions. I'll see you guys there.